Hey there everyone, this is Ken with Hoasty. I know my office background is awful. I don't care. Getting more comments from people in real life. They said, hey Ken, love your videos, really insightful, really interesting. The background sucks. I say, I have more important things to worry about. So someone buy me a new background and I'll fix it. So hey guys, this is 5 reasons why vacation rentals, Airbnbs, VRBOs, and HomeAways are superior to traditional rentals as a business model and for use as an owner. So why you should consider 5 reasons why you should consider vacation rentals compared to traditional rentals. First things first, I am Ken Barton. I am the CEO and founder of Hoasty. Hoasty is a hospitality management company. Hoasty specializes in managing and optimizing revenue for vacation rentals nationwide. What does that mean? We manage the communication, the cleaning, the service, the pricing, the positioning online, and the advertisement, and we're constantly innovating around ways that we can add value as a property management service as a vacation rental management company. So first things first, on our innovation side, we are launching a brand new private network called the Hoasty Network. You can find it at hoasty.co/network. What this is it is a network for our guests that are awesome guests that we want to have back again at all of our units nationwide. This is a $200 per year as of today, the paid annual subscription in which you get unlimited early check-in, unlimited late checkout. You get exclusive deals to special stays, so special weekend sales or discounts, as well as early access to our brand new units. So it's direct booking access to all of these, and you get someone to talk to. So in case you have some questions or whatnot, we always have Hoasty support there, ready to respond to you rapidly on our vacation rentals across the nation. So please consider joining our hoasty.co/network. You can join the wait list now. We'll be launching it soon. So it is $200 a year. It's kind of like Amazon Prime, but if you vacation rental travel quite a bit and you want unlimited early check-in, unlimited late checkout, and you want access to our units nationwide, check it out, hoasty.co/network. So, hoasty.co/network, the Hoasty Network is combined with hoasty.co/book. So what is this? Hoasty Book is a way for you to book directly with Hoasty. You might say to yourself, well, why would I do that? I have Airbnb and VRBO and HomeAway. Why would I use Hoasty Book? Well, the reason why is you as a guest are paying between 5 and 15. 1-5. It's not like a little turkey gobble. No, it's like 15% more. You're paying a lot more money to book on those platforms, which is fine, and we're okay with it. But if you want to save yourself money and you want direct access to the right pricing and a severe discount compared to the prices on Airbnb, VRBO, and HomeAway, check out hoasty.co/book. Plus, you can see all of our units nationwide, which will help you understand and plan your next trip and do some bundles, do some combinations, and get some discounts. So check out hoasty.co/book to learn how to book directly on our site and book directly with our owners. Finally, I am so excited about this. Hoasty is launching our first Facebook group where we can communicate with each other about vacation rentals, buying and selling. So one of the biggest things I'm asked by every investor I talk to is, how do I meet people who are selling a vacation rental? Or how do I buy a vacation rental? How do I get into this business? And Hoasty's really, our core focus is management and revenue optimization. We're great at it once we have it, but the acquisition process, we're not so good yet. We're still really new. We're less than a year old. We're trying to figure it out. So what we did at Hoasty is we created this group called the Buy, Sell, B&B. And what that means is it's a Facebook group where you can meet other investors and other sales and other realtors, people who have properties that might be attractive vacation rentals. You can connect over them. Of course, Hoasty's happy to manage them for you. We don't have to. That's your choice. But we're happy to be here right in the middle to help you facilitate that communication and help you expand your real estate empire. So go ahead and go onto Facebook and search Buy, Sell, B&B. I'm going to put it at the bottom of your screen. Please join us and check it out, and we would love to see you there. All right, so today's video was inspired by BiggerPockets.com by a gentleman by the name of Toby Porter. He put this question. He's from Huntington, Maryland, and his question was, in gist, I have a rental. I just bought these 2 buy and hold properties. That means he's going to buy them and sit on them for a long time. And he's looking to create income from them, probably pay down a mortgage or pay down some debt on those properties. Question is, how will he do it? Will he do traditional rental or vacation rental? Well, Toby, I am here to give you 5 reasons as to why you should consider vacation renting that property instead of traditional rental. Let's get started. Number 1, opportunity to massively increase cash flow. Vacation rentals, no doubt, are more work. That is why a company like Hoasty exists. We are out here to help you think through and manage and plan the process and plan the pricing and plan a strategy and communication for your vacation rental. Why that is weekends at a vacation rental can be 2 or 3 times the weekday stay in a pricing. Let's just say a traditional unit in Huntington, Maryland. Let's say it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and you can rent it for, let's say, $1,000 per month. Well, we might be able to earn $200 per night on the weekends and $100 a night during the week. So if you think about those numbers, we are able to create outsized returns for you. Other than just benefiting from the weekend pricing and different day pricing, another huge benefit from using vacation rentals is holidays. Think about it. Christmas, Thanksgiving, New Year's, Labor Day. How much are those weekends, how much are those holidays worth to your guests? Probably a much larger amount. Therefore, you as an owner get to benefit from owning that property during those vacation days and see a big spike in revenue, which can really help your bottom line towards the end of the year, help you pay down debt faster, and help you prove a larger proven income for that unit. Reason number 2, dual use. Use the property when you want. So, really popular strategy with Hoasty clients is to rent out the property, vacation rent out the property during the high season. During the low season, do the edits, the repairs, the updates to make that property really smooth. And for next year, charge a premium, charge even more. Give you a great quick example. One of our owners has been working really hard on a property, and it's going to launch in the spring, and it's going to have a brand new hot tub. None of the guests that have pre-booked know that's even going to be there. So he's adding a huge benefit, but he has some pre-bookings. But what's going to be even better is when he adds that hot tub, he can start charging $25, $50 more per night because he's adding a hot tub to a unit. Awesome. So you can have dual use. Plus, him and his wife going to go stay there sometimes. So how about that? How about spending some of the time at your own property and then be able to vacation rent it and make it an asset and not a liability. So your family still has a vacation home, perfectly clean and clear when you have someone like Hoasty manage it, because we are out there making sure we have professional cleaners come in and out, making sure that property's in great shape. So dual use is reason number 2. Reason number 3 is repair and upgrade on your schedule. So whenever you have a traditional rental, you have to ask the tenant hours in advance or even days in advance, hey, we need to come fix your sink. And the tenant says, oh no, that doesn't work for me. You can't come into my property on those days. Vacation rentals are not that way. The average booking for a vacation rental at Hoasty is 4 days. That means within 4 days, that unit is going to be empty for at least a few hours. Maybe not the whole day, because we have back-to-back bookings, which is great. But it'll be empty for a bit, so you can go in, get things fixed, and get out of there and keep moving. Also, what a lot of our owners will do is book it out for a few weeks, get some money flowing in, have it be an asset, and then block it out for a week. Give their contractors a week to get things done, get some updates done, and then boom, it's right back on the market and makes more money for them. It's a beautiful way to double use that property, make improvements while still making money. Makes sense. Reason number 4, your vacation is a business expense. So what does that mean? You want to go use your own property, you want to go take a trip out there. Well, are you able to write it off on your taxes? You can now. If you have a vacation rental property, let's say you are living in Florida and you have a vacation rental property in Michigan. What you can do is you can hop on a flight to Michigan, tax write-off. Your gas to the airport to get that flight, tax write-off. Your meals that you did the entire way to check on your property, staying at your property, surveying it, any edits, updates, all of that is a tax write-off. That's a beautiful thing. Now you can vacation, essentially, at a discount because you're removing it from your bottom line taxes, and whenever you're not there, that vacation rental can be making money for itself. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Make your vacations a tax write-off with vacation renting your own units. And finally, reason number 5 to consider vacation rental instead of traditional rental income is superior guest experience and proven rental income. So if you've ever been a landlord, you know that tenants can be good, bad, and ugly. We know that someone is renting from you. It's a business relationship. It's a long-term relationship. 12, 24, 36, 48 months can be a very long time. So you got to think to yourself, what is the quality of guest I receive? What is the quality of tenant I receive? At Hoasty, we have hundreds of reviews, positive reviews, people saying they love the experience, they love staying here, it's a great time at your property. Whereas, what is a traditional tenant doing? No news is good news, right? Don't talk to me. If you're talking to me, it's bad. Just live there and leave me alone. So it's a very different dynamic, but much more importantly, you are proving a lot larger income from those guests. Hundreds more dollars per month, maybe even thousands more dollars per month. And what does that mean for you? That means that you, whenever you go to sell this property, can show to somebody else, hey, I didn't make the normal $1,000 a month in rent. I made $2,500 a month in vacation rental income for this property. So you're not just buying the equity of the property, you're buying the earning potential of this property. And then you, investor, whenever you go sell, you can sell that future revenue included. So that's our 5 reasons why you should consider vacation renting your property instead of traditional rent. I am Ken Barton with Hoasty. Hoasty, again, is a hospitality management company. We manage and optimize revenue for vacation rentals. Make sure you check out our website, join our waitlist for the Hoasty network if you're interested in traveling at some of our units. If you're interested in booking our units, do go to hoasty.co/book. Book directly with us and save yourself up to 15% off your booking. And finally, I will be there in the chat inside the group of the Buy, Sell, B&B group. So make sure you join us there. Check us out on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube. Subscribe on YouTube to see all of our videos that we produce each week to learn more about the vacation rental industry, how to buy, sell, and create your own empire in real estate. Ken Barton with Hoasty. See ya.